Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jantek Industries product showroom. I'm Kelan, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Jantek Industries triple slider. So as always, we're going to break down this window into three parts. First, we're going to take a look at the makeup of the window, then we're going to look at its attributes and features, and then I'm going to talk about some options that you as the homeowner can select to add on to your Jantek Industries triple slider window. Let's get started. So oftentimes, homeowners are faced with an issue when they have a large opening that requires multiple standard windows, such as a double hung, to be molded together. So one solution to that problem here at Jantek Industries that we often recommend is putting in a triple slider. We have two styles of triple sliders. The one here on display in our showroom is our quarter, half quarter. And what that is that's just the style design makeup of the window. We offer two. We have 3 light, which is equal light, where all 3 panels of the triple slider will be the exact same width, but a quarter, half quarter, you have a larger center non-operable picture window that is half the width of the entire opening, with operable sashes on either side that are a quarter of the width of the entire opening, hence quarter, half quarter. So it's an entire frame fusion welded together. This one again is a non-operable picture window, and these here are 2 operable sashes. They slide left to right. They both come with double locks here, so you can hear them snap. All feature down here vent latches, so if you just wanted to open the window up just a little bit to get some air, but not have it swing all the way open, you can do so. And it closes very easily. Now, one nice feature about this window is that these sashes can be taken in and out very easily. Let's take a close-up look of this sash. You have multi-point fin seals on either side, top, corners, and 2 edges here that add it for better weather protection and seal. Now at the bottom, we have specific brass rolling system put in here for wheels for the window to slide nice and easy, along with extra fin seals for weather sealant. The sash can then be put right back in, closed, and locked. Now, since these are the operable panels, they're going to come with screens to fit just that operating panel that can move as well too, and they slide nice and easy. All of the operating panels will fit into our pocket sill, and you can see here, the brass rollers will slide right along that sill for easy movement. Locks in and operates. So another feature that we have on our triple slider here for the operating panels is our full-length interlock. So as you can see here, there's a groove that goes the entire length of the sash and the entire length of the frame portion here, where the sash and the frame are going to connect. When you put this in and slide it, it makes a groove, make a connection there. What that's going to do is going to add security for the window sash that can never be jimmied open from the exterior, and it's going to stop any potential draft or air from leaking in.